From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Finally, ladies and gentlemen, after Tejaswi and Akhilesh, KCR has chosen to maintain an arm's length distance from the Antonia Minor Congress. So when invitations have gone to at least 7 top opposition leaders for a mega meeting in December, Antonia Minor's name is not on the guest list. Let's debate.
Every now and then, a political bubble is floated, a bubble called the Third Front. In the current political scenario, it's called the anti-BJP front. And this time, it's Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao who has called for a mega meeting by inviting Sharad Pawar's NCP, Mamata Banerjee's TMC, H.D. Kumaraswamy's JDS, Mayawati's BSP, Prakash Singh Badal's Akali Dal, Naveen Patnaik's BJD, M.K. Stalin's DMK.
In major development in the state of Telangana, Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao made a statement stating that they will be forming an anti-BJP front with all the like-minded parties such as Mayawati, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, M.K. Stalin and various other like-minded parties are likely to come together and form an anti-BJP front.
The Congress isn't in the mix, especially after its dismal performance in Bihar elections.
क्योंकि केसीआर को हम लोग 20 साल से देख रहा है 20 साल से कम 1000 झूठ बोले शायद कम से कम तो हम गिनना भी छोड़ दिए क्योंकि उतना झूठ बोलते जा रहा है हम लोग कोई सीरियस नहीं ले रहा है
Their allies are fed up and frustrated.
मैंने आप जो है राहुल यहाँ चुनाव हो रहा है राहुल गांधी जो है प्रियंका जी के साथ जाकर के मैंने शिमला में उनके घर पर पिकनिक मना रहे हैं
Their house is not in order. Top leaders are fighting it out in the open.
अगर अपने बलबूतों से कपिल सिब्बल बिहार में चले जाते मध्य प्रदेश में चले जाते तो खुद को साबित कर सकते कि देखो मैं जो कह रहा हूं ये सही है
And now the anti-BJP front also wants them out. From 2018 to 2019, there have been multiple attempts to stitch an alternative front, with many leaders even declaring their chur-chur intent.
देखो एक बात है ना हिंदी में जो मजदूर कहता है किसान कहते हैं जो हमसे टकराएगा वो चुर-चुर हो जाएगा रीजनल पार्टी से टकराने से काम नहीं होता है
But with the opposition leader showing Congress the reality, it is the biggest message to the grand old party that it is now reduced to a sinking ship. Let's debate.
Mr. Anup Bugiri of the JTRS, can you please tell us all why you have not invited the Congress party for your big meeting?
In India, so we are no more seeing it as an opposition for parliament. So that's the reason whenever there is a necessity of the major opposition, so regional parties will take a charge as an anti-BJP front. It happened in the past as well. In 1984, when there was a landslide victory for Congress party by winning 404 seats in parliament, Telugu Desam party, the regional party from southern state, was the major opposition in parliament. The same way this time also, we are planning to form an anti-BJP front. In past, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, Telugu Desam party, they also formed an UPNA, but it was not success. But what we are trying to make, because the Congress lost its ground,
Pankaj,
there was no hope in leadership. So we are planning to form an anti-BJP front so that people seeing some kind of opposition choice in national.
Are you saying, Mr. Bugiri? Are you saying, Mr. Bugiri, Pankaj? Interesting observations here. Sanju, I'm just coming to you because Pankaj, you see now what is happening is that serious regional players are saying that Congress is a problem. They're a liability. They are not a large enough party. Regional parties are saying that Congress is not good enough to be part of any alliance. They are saying, basically, they are showing you the door. What an insult, Pankaj. What a situation. Regional parties are saying they don't want to be associated with you. Are you smelling the coffee?
Mr. Goswami, that you should ask
I'm sure he's not.
the Congress party. Why are you asking this to me? As a political analyst, I can tell you one thing.
No, but because till last
It is
week
not
you
a
were a
hidden
supporter
fact.
of the Congress.
No, yes, I support that ideology,
Before the Madhya-
which is a non-BJP ideology. I support an ideology which doesn't divide the country. But it is not a hidden fact that any move of opposition unity cannot get the required outcome without the support of the Congress party.
No,
Do you think it is possible?
no, that's
Is it
not true.
possible without the support
Yes,
of
they think it is
UPA,
possible.
which has 96 members in Lok Sabha? It's not possible. So Congress has to
No,
be there.
UPA is
and not
also- no,
even
no, one
has to be
second.
there, but Congress
No,
has
one
to
second.
lead this whole
No,
opposition unity.
You
effort.
have... No, that is the difference. Now people don't feel so. I would like a Tanveer Ahmed, Monojit Mandal. Listen, Tanveer, Monojit. Listen, Satya Prakash Mishra is there. He's a spokesperson of JDU. You are making an
Okay,
assumption
will certainly say
that
this.
any opposition
JDU
formation
will
must be led by the
will
Congress.
say this.
Or then ask Tanveer of the JDS. Ask Monojit who supports the TMC.
Or no, can I make my introductory statement?
Sanju, 1 minute. Let me get one or two others. I'm coming to you. Tanveer and Tanveer.
in hurry?
Let me tell you.
No, she's not.
Today, Congress is nothing more than a cancer to any regional players, Arnab. Today, any regional party is suffering. It is
Cancer.
not because of BJP, it is because of Congress. Any
Incredible. Look at
person
the
who
use of
joins
words.
hand with Congress is absolutely have to be affected by their cancerous, their venomous, their infighting. We have to really suffer. So it is really better that, we all need to dump Congress together because
Yes, this is a
Congress
breaking
has
news comment.
absolutely lost leadership, might, and it is not a party which we need to really consider as a serious player on national and state in politics. Because here DK Shivakumar doesn't like Siddaramaiah doesn't like this, and enough of their infighting. They have really ruined us.
Ruined whom? Ruined whom?
No, but are you making this statement officially as a spokesperson of JDS? That the Congress is like a cancer?
Arnab, I am making statement as an individual who understands politics, as a responsible politician, and behalf of my politics. Today here in Karnataka, the opposition is not even showing the might to ask the question today in BJP because Congress is busy infighting. COVID went and gone. The COVID came, and what did Congress do here in Karnataka? Absolutely nothing. DK Shivakumar was fighting with Siddaramaiah was fighting with DK Shivakumar. So we don't need to really take Congress any seriously. The gentleman who's a political analyst can really hold on to his words for after some time. Congress is nothing but
I would like to, I'd like to say this to you.
We are more serious players to fight BJP than Congress.
India takes JDS seriously. See,
Pankaj, he's not wanting to say, he is saying. No, he is not wanting to say, he is saying it. Ask Monojit Mandal. This comment today, viewers, of the JDS spokesperson Tanveer is going to go viral. He says Congress is like a cancer. Now, what is happening is this, Monojit, that whatever, you see, I for one, can I, Pankaj, say this? I for one believe this country needs an opposition to the BJP. I'm saying this, Sanju. The BJP needs to have an opposition so that there is a balance in the body politic of this country.
very good.
And while everyone appreciates the efforts of Prime Minister Modi, there needs to be a balance of power in any system. But the Congress is incapable of doing that. Monojit, Sanju, 1 minute. Monojit, you need a healthy opposition, not an unhealthy opposition. Monojit.
Odd party here because we are talking about.
Arnab, let me come in, please.
Yes, certainly. Arnab,
I will let Monojit have his say.
You are an odd
Sanju.
woman here because you are representing BJP. Okay, please don't mind. Arnab, good to see you back.
No, what is there odd?
You are really concerned about.
Thank you.
Good to see you back. Odd because we are talking about something that BJP has got nothing to do with. BJP should be now, sort of resting in a cozy club and say that look what the opposition is doing. Yes, this country needs a very strong opposition, certainly, but it is also a fact that the Congress is dwindling within and also without. And in Bengal, the Congress has allied with the left party. They are fighting the same party in Kerala during the same election in 2021. They will have an alliance here in Bengal, but in Kerala they will fight each other. Now, what kind of a double standard, hypocritical stance is this? You are doing it because you are in a kind of suicidal mode. You should have either gone alone or you should have tried to some other patch with the Trinamool Congress. No, madam, again I am saying that you are to be very respectfully you are an odd woman out here because you are representing the BJP.
I heard you.
But please don't mind.
Arnab, this is
okay, but let her speak, Monojit.
You can still go on. We don't have any problem. If you are bothered.
No, I will. Monojit, come on. Now, Monojit, now you don't stop it. Now, Monojit, she heard you.
We don't have any problem.
Monojit, she heard you. I have a one-line comment on your observation that the left and Congress are going together. I think it is blind leading the blind. I don't know who to feel sorry for, Congress or left, but certainly the left has lost its mind to be going with the Congress party in Bengal or anywhere else. So Sanju is very pleased today.
Cadres and the workers should feel sorry.
Sanju is very pleased, but Sanju, this might be... But Sanju, you should be worried because if all regional parties come together, there may be a more effective coalition without the Congress against you.
Let me first tell you one thing very clearly. I'm reminded of our BJP National President JP Nadda's statements and why BJP and the Modi juggernaut is unputdownable and unstoppable. He says BJP is the only party which has chal, charitra, niyat, niti, sangathan. There are some parties, niyat hai to niti nahi hai, नीति है तो चरित्र नहीं है, चरित्र है तो कार्यकर्ता नहीं है, कार्यकर्ता है तो कार्यक्रम नहीं है, कार्यक्रम है तो संगठन नहीं है. Which means BJP is the only party which has a policy, a bona fide intent, a strong grassroots level organizational cadre, a leader like Narendra Modi, and of course, when I say Karyakram, I mean the entire political apparatus of the BJP, be it a municipal election or the Lok Sabha election. Every election matters. Winnability matters because power at the end of the day is about
but please, you are putting out a sales pitch for the BJP. Why don't you talk about the subject at hand, which is the Congress opposition? My view, Sanju, my rebut to you is, Sanju, my rebut to you. Sanju, my rebut to you is,
you got to be really
Sanju, please let Tanveer come in. My rebut to you is, a Congress opposition is stronger than a Cong-led opposition. Tanveer is on the debate. Tanveer is coming in. Tanveer.
Arnab, today Sanju was saying about program, niti, niyati and all that. I don't know whether BJP has it or not, but certainly Congress has lost it. Congress doesn't have any of it. Congress is an opportunistic party which the regional serious players have really understood. We were in coalition with Congress. It was Congress who really finished us and Congress which tried to finish itself. Today, any regional player, I think Tejasvi Yadav would have been a chief minister had they gone alone. So any regional player who's a serious regional player, if at all you have to fight BJP, if you have to defeat Narendra Modi and through programs, through policies, you have to keep Congress away. Congress is absolutely a cancer which is bad for regional politics.
Everybody wrote us off after the exit polls.
Sanju, why are you continuously speaking, Sanju? You are a national spokesperson of a very important party. Please hold on.
Look at this time. Please don't make personal comments. I don't need your lecture, Tanvi.
Why is she continuously talking, Arnab?
I don't need your lecture. I don't need your lecture.
I don't understand why.
You need to really keep quiet sometimes, Sanju.
Stop
I know you have
lecturing me,
become a
Tanvi.
national
Stop
spokesperson.
lecturing
It doesn't mean that you are going to hog every time. You please keep quiet.
Listen,
You
please
keep
don't
quiet.
make
Now it is a
condescending
question
statements.
regarding regional players and Congress. We are going to talk about it. You don't need to really interfere in this.
You cannot have a monologue. You cannot have a monologue. I will intervene. You cannot have a monologue. I'm making a very valid point.
Pointed at you, please answer. You don't need to interfere everything. You're not that you know everything. You absolutely know nothing.
We are not discussing ifs and buts. The fact is, the BJP
may I request Satyaprakash Mishra, Satyaprakash Mishra of the JDU to come into the debate. It's late. Mr. Mishra, do you agree with Tanveer Ahmad's comment that without the Congress, Tejaswi would have been perhaps the Chief Minister of Bihar in the context of our debate? That it is the Congress which pulls down any other party?
It is laughable that, in whatever circumstances, Tejaswi Yadav would not have become the Chief Minister of Bihar. There are so many reasons regarding that. Yeah, when Congress joins any party, that party gets weakened, weakens. And when they, Congress joined hand with Akhilesh Yadav in Uttar Pradesh, what happened, everybody does know that. A regional political party is starting to behave that Congress is more regional status now when, in the last Lok Sabha election, Mayawati and Akhilesh joined hand together in UP, but they offered only 2 seats to Congress. That is the status of Congress party now. They are actually sending invitation to every opposition political party to join hand together except Congress. What is there common in there? Nothing. They have no principle together that they can work on. They are principle-less opposition party.
Mr. Mishra, my follow-up question to you is that most serious political analysts believe that the reason for the performance and negative feelings towards the Congress is Antonia Maino and her, Rahul and Priyanka. I mean, Priyanka has ended up being worse than Rahul. Her performance, her attitude, her leadership, she's worse than Rahul. But if these 3 people are kicked out, if Antonia Maino and this Priyanka Vadra, Robert Vadra and Rahul are kicked out, could there be a different Congress which would be perhaps more acceptable to the regional parties?
Neither I am a political astrologer or neither I am a firm believer of betterment of Congress party. But I would say in another way.
No, I'm not talking about betterment. I'm saying because people people like Tanveer Ahmad saying Congress is like cancer.
I tell you, people.
I'm not telling you to predict. I'm just wondering.
Only. Whenever they go outside of India, even they don't like Italian food.
There is a possibility.
If they don't like Italian food, they sometimes try it. But our system of digestive system doesn't accept that altogether always. Collection of gangs of Parivarvad, including inside the Congress party and the smaller political party which has the family politics. These are rejected by the Indian voters. Whatsoever they can do, join hand together.
No, but I would still like to ask Anup Bugidi. Anup Bugidi.
People of India.
No. You see, now we have what we've seen is the emergence of serious regional parties. And when I say serious regional parties, Mr. Bugidi, whether it is your party or whether it is Jagan or whether it is the JDS, these regional parties have shown the ability to build organizational strength and multi-level leadership. Now, tell me, Mr. Bugidi, some Congress leaders are saying that if we approach KCR, that we want to be a member of your alliance. We don't want to lead your alliance. Will you allow the Congress into your meeting?
You already saw what happened to Chandrababu Naidu. He want to plan as a big leader in India, but unfortunately he was in connection with Congress and he lost himself in Andhra Pradesh. So now today we can see the position of TDP chief, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, after allying with Congress. So all the regional parties who are going to ally with Congress, they are gone. So it is a live example, Telugu Desam Party, what happened to Nara Chandrababu Naidu. So no regional parties want to get tie up with Congress. But simultaneously, all regional parties together, they want to form a front because Congress is no more. The people are rejecting Rahul Gandhi leadership. The people don't want Gandhi family in Congress.
Priyanka
They
Vadra.
want Gandhi family Mukta Congress. Even Robert Vadra, Priyanka Vadra, they want Gandhi family Mukta Congress. They are not even encouraging youngsters in Congress party. You can see the Kapil Sibal statements.
Pankaj, are you seeing the change? Pankaj, Pankaj, are you seeing this? Are you listening?
What happened to Sachin Toilet? There are youngsters in Congress.
And viewers, you know, this is...
Lack of leadership.
Pankaj, are you seeing this? OIC rejects Congress, Mayawati dumps Congress, DMK dumps Congress, Mamta has rejected Congress, RJD has rejected Congress, Aam Aadmi Party has rejected Congress. Only the Gupkar gang is left.
Or no, I'm reminded of
Only the Gupkar gang is left.
Nobody has rejected Congress, and there can be no opposition unity without Congress. You also know it. On the one hand, well-meaning political forces must support.
Oh, there can be no opposition unity without Congress.
But on the other hand, Mr.
Sanjo.
Remember what the late Arun Jaitley said. No opposition can challenge the BJP because it is a bunch of compulsive contrarians. That is the whole point.
In these matters. Similar is the case with Jagan Reddy.
No, 1 minute. To the comment made here, I would like Tanveer Ahmed to come back on the debate, where Pankaj says there can be no opposition unity without the Congress, Tanveer.
Yes, there cannot be any formidable opposition unity without Congress.
There is going to be a strong opposition without Congress. Congress is absolutely going to be a party which from 40 it is going to become 10 or 12 in next coming election. There can be a stronger, greater and a better political fraternity which would come without Congress, because people of India has absolutely dumped, rejected, and Congress is going to be history very soon. Because Deve Gowda got defeated in Tumkur because of Congress. I am telling this after a long time. Congress party really worked very hard to defeat Deve Gowda. What did they achieve? Absolutely nothing. Their infighting, their dirty politics. We are in such a bad state today. JDS, a strong regional player, is in a bad state because of Congress. That was our biggest mistake, that we had to join hands with Congress. Never in future we would join hands with Congress. Because Congress, I repeat once again, it is cancer to any regional player.
You help BJP, you help BJP. You want to help, you have a track record.
Can I make one last point?
Everyone knows it. See, Mr. Goswami, there seems a very strong possibility.
Sir, we are making an alliance to fight BJP. We are making an alliance to fight BJP, Mr. Journalist. You need to know, we are making an alliance to fight BJP, not to fight Congress, because Congress is not worthy of fighting today.
Your only ideology is your visceral hatred for Narendra Modi.
Sanju, can you please keep quiet for God's sake? Why do you need to really interfere every time when you have no answer? Why do you talk, Sanju?
A strong organizational cadre.
You don't have anything to talk. Why don't you sometimes keep quiet?
This is a debate.
Just because you have been called for a national television,
you have spoken enough. I'm not here to listen to your monologue.
I need to add a point
here.
No, you are talking, you're not making sense, Sanju.
Delivered.
I think you need to
do
Mr.
Bugini is making a point.
You're not doing justice being a BJP spokesperson today.
Is not just rhetoric. It is something we have delivered. Tanveer, you don't need to lecture me.
Yeah, Mr. Bugini is making a point.
About your pathetic exit from the JDS Congress alliance in Karnataka.
With the
pathetic JDS Congress alliance in Karnataka. Please go and lecture the top leaders.
I'll give the last word.
Don't lecture me.
I'll give the last word. I'll give the last word to Mr. Bugini. I must say, Mr. Bugini, this is a, I'm just thinking, Mr. Bugini, I'll just tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing, Mr. Bugini. When I started my career, Mr. Bugini, 1 minute. When I started my career, I used to report on the Congress party. And I'm talking about the late 90s. And I can't believe. Look at the situation today where a group of confident... There was an assumption that Congress will lead the alliance. Then there was an assumption Congress will lead the opposition alliance. Now the Congress has become a liability for every regional party. And it could be right that maybe in the next general election, Congress could get 10, 12 seats. Maybe it looks a reality. Mr. Bugadi, you wanted to make a last point. Yeah. You wanted to make a last point on behalf of your party.
Today, in spite of huge anti-incumbency, Bharatiya Janata Party's strength is only Rahul Gandhi. I repeat it, Bharatiya Janata Party only strength is Rahul Gandhi. As soon as Rahul Gandhi is in
You forgot Priyanka Vadra also.
Bharatiya Janata Party is going to win all parliament elections. This is the final statement from regional party. So, 100% Rahul Gandhi.
Well, viewers, times in the country are changing.
BJP's strength are its policies.
BJP's strength is Rahul Gandhi.
But let me tell you, Mr. Bugadi, let me tell you. No, let me tell you at the end. No unsolicited advice to politicians. But it is not easy to put together a national alliance unless, you have common policies and common intent. So, to take on the BJP won't be easy, but let's see what happens. I thank you all for joining me. It's been a great debate. And viewers, with a promise to be back tomorrow at 9. Till then, good night and goodbye.